I'm Shea an intern at the Miami Children's Museum. For this sensory-friendly Saturday, I'll show you guys how to make your very own homemade applesauce. Spending time together in the kitchen is one of the best ways to explore our senses and bond with our families. To make our applesauce, we need 4 medium apples, 3/4 cups water, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you like your applesauce extra sweet like I do, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Be sure to wash and dry all of your apples before cooking. I'm going to peel my apples, but you can leave the skin on if you choose. Using a peeler, I carefully remove the skin off each apple. Now that I've peeled my apples to give my applesauce a smoother texture, it's time to chop them up. I like to cut my apple into slices, making sure to avoid the core. Then, I cut the slices into smaller cubes. Now, here's the fun part. Combine your chopped apples, 3/4 cups water, and teaspoon of cinnamon in a saucepan. Be sure to smell all the ingredients. As you mix all of your ingredients in the pot, this is a great place to get the kids involved. Smelling the cinnamon before you put it in and pouring the water are all great activities that even the kids can help with. Now you can add in the optional sugar. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons. Heat up your mixture over medium-high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the apples are nice and soft. Be sure to let it sit under a cover and wait patiently as you see your applesauce come to life. After a few minutes of cooking, remove the cover and carefully stir your applesauce in the mixture. It smells amazing. Let all the apples soak in that mixture. And replace the cover and continue cooking for the rest of the time. Once that's all done, wait for the apples to cool, and then you can mash them using a fork or a potato masher. The kids can help with this part. And for smoother applesauce, you can pour the mixture into a food processor. After a few quick pulses, you'll see your applesauce become the perfect texture. You can serve your applesauce warm or let it chill in the fridge until you're ready to eat. And just like that, you have your very own homemade applesauce. Delicious.